Today is the ps4 controller. I'll be showing you how to connect it. So, you get up closer. First, you want to first, you have to have any charger. I just got some charger. This is the charger I have. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in. Hold on. It just happened lately, so I just fixed it. So what you want to do is you plug the controller, and you might see it charging. And then whenever you're ready to press it, you just feel like when you want to press it, and then it automatically works. So that is how you fix it, and that's pretty much it. But can somebody tell me how to connect the second controller? Because I do not know how to do that. Look, I have it on the charger, but it's so dark. Hold on. Okay. So my charger's in, and then I press the button, and it just blinks. So, if anybody knows how to fix a second controller, leave that in the comment section below. Magic Craft is always so pretty much it for today. So I'm out.